Rebecca Schofstall, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. Previously, we shared a video on automating maintenance with approval workflows in Hexagon EAM. Additional features and enhancements related to approval workflows were released in version 12.1.1. So I wanted to take a few minutes to share these updates with you. First, approval workflows can now be set up for invoices. You will notice the new selections when clicking on the Entity Field lookup when creating a new approval workflow. Also, multiple from statuses are now supported. Rather than setting up approval workflows for each from status, multiple statuses can be selected to trigger a workflow. Let's look at an existing approval workflow. One enhancement to note is Approval Workflow Setup now supports revision control. On the Approval Workflow Setup screen, two new tabs are available: Step Conditions and Workflow Event History. Previously, approval step conditions were defined via a pop-up on the Approval Steps tab. Now, these are visible and defined on the Step Conditions tab. The Workflow Event History tab will display the history associated with the selected approval workflow. Let's move on to Planned Approver Delegation. On the User Setup screen, a Designated Approvers tab is available. This allows for designating one user's approval responsibility to another user for a specified date range. This is great if a user is planning to take time off or needs to delegate long-term. On a case-by-case basis, records can be reassigned to another user. In order to reassign, there is a button to reassign approver. Otherwise, on the Workflow Approval screen, you can right-click and select Reassign Approver. Now, from the Reassign Approver pop-up, you can choose a current pending approval step to reassign. Then you can define the reassigned approver details. So in this case, I will reassign the step from Tyler to Dylan. You can provide more information, then you can select a reason for delegation. The reasons for delegation are set up as system codes. Then click Submit. You will notice that this purchase order has been reassigned from Tyler to Dylan. We hope you found this content useful. Be sure to subscribe to ensure you are alerted of new videos on Hexagon EAM functionality. Thank you.